Hi my beautiful black queens. Today is a natural makeup tutorial. Really simple and chic when you just want to get out the house and you want to look cute, but you don't want to look like you did so much extra. Here's a little makeup tutorial for you. So let's get started. I'm gonna be brightening this up. And then I'm gonna change the color to pink. That's the right color? Yeah. First, what I'm gonna do is put some oil on my face. This is the Marula facial oil from Trader Joe's. And you can use any kind of oil on your face, any kind of serum or moisturizer. I just been doing this for like a long time, and this is kind of my mom's, but I use it. Yeah. My face gets really dry. So let me just gonna put that on your face. Make sure it gets into the pores. Make sure your face is really moisturized. When I went to, it's all depending. Like, I've been doing my own makeup for a while. So some girls prefer to conceal first and then do their eyebrow. That's more so for a more baddie kind of look, but I just prefer to line my brows first, and then some girls don't prefer to start out with brows. It all depends on your preference, but I prefer to start off with brows because the brows is like the easiest part to do on the face for me, and then I conceal right after that, and then I just conceal some on the face, and then I'm done. So let me show you how I do my eyebrows. So now, as you can see, or if you can't tell, I filled in my brows with the deep dark brunette Deluxe brown liner in MAC. And if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that I used this before in my last video. So now let's move on to the concealing. So as you can see, I got a little bit concealer, but it's not blended in. And the concealer I used was the Studio Finish Concealer from MAC, SPF 35, NW25. So I got a shade lighter so that, because we were trying on, me and my mom, she was trying to look in to see the concealers that were my shade in the store, so that I got one a little bit lighter, so because I like it to highlight and enhance my natural features. So you see, it's not fully blended, but I'm gonna blend it in a bit, and I'm gonna show you guys how I blend. So I blend in a little bit closer. You guys can see, I blend like this with these little thingies, and then I go. Let's see. So I blend at the bottom. I like down in these motions. This is my first time. Oh, and this is actually, I haven't used MAC in a while. See, I actually like this stuff came into like, I just got this concealer today. So it was shipped to me. This has a real nice finish. I like this. Well, that is the end of my mini makeup tutorial. Please comment comment down in the description below what you want to see next, and please subscribe, because if you're already on this video, why haven't you subscribed yet? So, and also follow my Instagram. I have 2 Instagrams, thatartsygirl, lizslavendertea, and those are also in the description box below. And stay positive and focus on your mental health. Goodbye.
Look at that black girl, look at that black girl, look at that black girl. Queen, 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 yeah. Yo, you smelling like watermelon, mango, and dreams all at the same time.